Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shirley. Please, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click the red button sign that says subscribe, and after that you click the bell sign. Today I'll be making a video on how to make Nigerian buns. These are all my ingredients. I've measured them out. This is my 250 grams of plain flour, my water for mixing. I have my 1 large egg, half teaspoon of salt, 50 grams of butter. I have my quarter cup of sugar, my baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So let's get started. So in making Nigerian buns, first of all you mix your flour, your sugar, salt, baking powder. You mix them together. Make sure they are fully combined. So at this time now, we add our butter. Make sure you mix it very well. You add your sugar, your egg. And they are fully mixed now, so it's time for me to add my water. You have to carefully add water so that it will not become too soupy, not too hard for you to make it with. See the way I'm adding my water, you add it bit by bit. So they are fully combined now. It's fully combined. You can see how the dough is looking like. This is it. See, not too thick, not too light. You see it? So that's it. So I just finished mixing the buns now. This is how the dough looks like. This is my pot for frying. I've already preheated the vegetable oil. So let's get started. See the way I'm cutting it? Carefully putting it inside. When you are frying, make sure you fry on a medium heat. Not too low, not too high, for it to have a good result. See how it's popping up? You can see my buns is already turning gold. As soon as it starts turning gold, so it's high time I bring it out. See how beautiful, how nice it is. Wow. You guys need to give this a try. Please, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I bring them out from the frying. It's looking wow. So this is my last batch. The last little batch. Nigeria buns. Yummy, yummy Nigeria buns. Wow. So I have to leave that for some time now. See it? Wow, I just finished frying the buns. This is how it looks, looking crunchy and sweet. I need to have one, have a taste. Need to see. Wow, this is beautiful. Yummy. Please guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Please, I only want to know what you guys think about this video. Thank you so much and God bless you.